share their music and love of the beach and each other, and it'll be a really good time. I'm glad people are here able to do Venice, California. Number 9, supposed to come to phase, but back to the top. How do you feel about that?
Really fun.
Good, I'm glad. Alright. We'll head back over to the anti-war protest now, and I'll catch you on the other side. Thanks a lot for watching.